I have been coming here for years. Hello YouTube, Charoen Nakhon. Today I'm going to show you some fantastic, authentic Indian food. This is Indian Food Wala. It's one of 6 restaurants. Yes, they own 6 restaurants here in Bangkok. And the food here is great. I have been buying from them for years. In terms of orders placed, this has to be my favorite restaurant in Bangkok. In fact, we used to order from them every single Tuesday. However, unfortunately, due to a change in our work schedules, we no longer can do that. But we still do love the occasional Indian food from this particular restaurant. The speed at which this food is coming out of... Thank you so much. Yeah, I was saying that the speed at which this food is coming out of this kitchen is incredible. I mean, look at this food. This is all in a matter of 10, 15 minutes. This is the real treat. The owner himself is cooking my food for me. There's a lot of spices in there. Wow. This restaurant is located in Charoen Nakhon Street, which is a very busy road, a very popular road, and it's easy to find this restaurant. It is right between Cinefest, which is a shopping center, as well as Soy 16. And just down the road from here is Icon Siam, the very big luxury shopping mall. I think our newest mall here in Bangkok. So it's definitely very convenient to go do your shopping at Icon Siam and come back to stop over here at this fine restaurant. There is a lot of food here and I cannot wait to dig in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dishes, 10 including this lassi over here. Let me show you what I have. First of all, I'll show you my regular order. This here is the prawn curry. And I mean, look at the size of these prawns. That is big. So I usually order prawn curry as well as garlic naan, which is this one over here. This is chicken tandoori. This one is prawn boti, mango lassi. We have a bowl of saffron rice, lachha paratha, chicken 65. This one is panipuri, and this one is fried bhindi. Now it is time to dig in. I'm going to start with my favorite, the prawn curry and the garlic naan bread. The food they serve here is authentic North Indian food. That is incredible. Really fantastic, amazing flavors. And I mean, the fact that I've been coming here for such a long time must speak volumes. Honestly, like zero exaggeration. I truly love the food here. Another great thing about this restaurant is that if you do not want to come all the way out here or to any of the other 5 restaurants that they have, you can also order online. I'm sitting here facing the door and there are forever delivery people coming in here. You can order from Grab Food, Line Man, Food Panda, Robinhood and Shopee. And I'll provide links to all of those in the details below in this video. These prawns really are so meaty. It feels like I'm biting into a steak. So I'm going to try out this lachha paratha. Very good. The people at this restaurant has always been very good to us. We would often place an order and then the driver would arrive with a bag of free oranges. And once they even sent us a bag with 6 tiger prawns on ice. I'm trying to work my way through all of these dishes. I've gotten to 3 out of the 10 so far, and I've already lost momentum. So next up is the chicken 65. That is great. I'm trying to find the right words to describe to you what I'm tasting, but I really can't. It's obviously a bit spicy, but not very spicy. I think it's basil, right? I'm not sure. And it's a bit of a zestiness to it. It's nothing better than eating with your hands. And between all of this spiciness, this mango lassi is going down really well. It's super smooth. Plus, I just love mango. It's by far my favorite fruit. This is the saffron rice, and I do not know what looks better, the actual rice or the bowl it's in. I have to admit, I'm not a big rice eater unless it's on sushi, but I'm quite enjoying this saffron rice. Beautiful flavors in here. Next up, I'll have the fried bhindi. Now, this is definitely something new to me. If you do not know bhindi, it is a vegetable. I'll show you a picture. That is nice. I don't eat nearly as much vegetables as I should, so it's good I'm having this. Let's try it with the tamarind sauce. That's a very good combination. We're getting there. Next up is the chicken tandoori. I mean, who doesn't love chicken, right? Besides the amazing flavors, this chicken is so tender. It's actually juicy. As much as I love Indian food, I think today I really have outdone myself. This is just a snack. This is the panipuri. We have these balls. They are hollow inside, and then you're supposed to make a hole with your finger, apparently. There we go. And then you fill it with these things. So this over here is potato. This one apparently is mint. I had to check it because it looks like lentils, but it is indeed mint. But with a bit of saltiness to it. And of course, tamarind sauce. And then you simply pop this into your mouth. This here is the prawn boti. The prawn these people have are so big. Wow. That is amazing. I love biting into this chunky prawns. Wow, and then I wonder why I cannot lose weight. I mentioned to you that they have 6 shops here in Bangkok, so I'm going to provide the names of all of the shops as well as the addresses in the details below. All of these shops open from 10:30 in the morning and they close at 11 p.m. All of the food here on the menu is freshly prepared under the supervision of an authentic Indian chef, in my case, the owner himself. And they pride themselves on quality, original flavors, rich spices, and good price. This is actually not even my first time filming Indian food. I was staying at a hotel down the road from here, the Ibis Riverside. Very, very, very good budget hotel. And right around the corner from there is where this restaurant's other branch is. And I actually went in there for a few minutes. I'll provide a link up here so you can actually see that hotel review as well as the other restaurant. That was crazy. I do not even know how I am able to bend down like this right now. I ate so much food, but the food here is fantastic. Do come pop in here at Indian food. I am not the first YouTuber who've been here. There have been a couple of them. This restaurant also was featured on TV shows. I think there's a picture over there. This over here, by the way, is the owner, the chef who just prepared my food for me, as well as his wife over there. and yeah, they've won some awards. It's a really popular restaurant, this.